All right, this is take 4. I'm trying a different app right now because the Microsoft Champ or whatever program that I've been using is keeps shutting off on me. So welcome back again, Frank Rositas. Today's date is October 2nd, 2025. This is my week 5 submission for FTT 210. My instructor is Mr. Hill, Jack Hill. What I've been working on is I've been working on the Tenons, and I've been working on the oh god, I'm drawing a blank here. I've been working on the Tenons and Thimbles. I think it's been a long day, but anyways, so I went ahead and I took this thimble, the rear thimble. I went ahead and got it in place. Had to carve out a little bit there to get it set just right so we're sitting flush. The front thimble is just fine. I've already done all that. I did my measurements. I've already started this hole up here, drilled this hole right here. It's just I've lost it on my on the last app, so I'm trying on the regular camera. So where I'm at right now is I'm gonna just thread this one in here and set the threads in the brass here, and then put it back in place and then go back from there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and keep on filming here. I will be shutting down momentarily and starting back up, just so I'm not making these very long videos, but at least getting you to see the beginning of what I'm doing in the end, and something in the middle. So that way I can submit this video and it's done right. Also making sure I show my work. I'm just getting frustrated with technology, but we'll go from there. We'll work it out and have it all ready for Sunday. So sit back, enjoy, and watch me learn some things. All right, so I got the first tenon in. Required just a little bit of sanding, get it down. Uh, I got it centered, so I took the measurement right here, and I got 2.20 millimeters. So obviously 1.10 millimeters is the center. So I centered it, put a little tiny mark there, and I got one already here. So now I'm going to start working on this one, but I've got this all sanded down, and a little bit of rust spot there from barely nicking the barrel. But yeah, I used my used the punch, got it in there, made sure it was nice, still nice and tight. I didn't want it to be loose, too loose, but got it in there. So what I'm going to do is work on this one. I'm going to let this place so that way you can see me place the last one, and go from there. Here we go. All right, so I've already set the tenons in. I got the barrel uh, set to where I need it. Made some measurements real quick. So now I'm going to drill. I'm going to start off using the 7/64th bit. Drill right down into it. I've got my clamp holding down the barrel, uh, as best I can, and had to loosen everything else up here because it just doesn't fit. Uh, my little holder here, it's having a hard time because of the not the tenon, but the other uh, thimble. That's thimble. So the other thimble's right here, so it's causing a little problem with the wedge. But I held it down. I also used, where'd it go? Right here. I also used my level. Just make sure I get the barrel level here. So barrel is level, applying some pressure to hold it down. And that felt like we went right through the tenon. I got that little pushback on the little vibration with the metal. So what I'm going to do is pull this all off, and I'm going to pull apart. And if you can see right here, oh darn it, didn't turn the camera. Sorry about that. You can see now. You can see it. I got a good hole right through the tenon, so that sets my first one. Let me get all reset here, and then we'll get the second one just the same way, and I'll come back and show the next clip of me placing in the uh, little studs. So we'll see you in a bit. All right, hey, so what we did here is
Scoot this over here. I'm trying to get this all figured out here. Here we go. All right, so I got the tenons in place. Um, I drilled it out. Used 1/8 drill bit. Um, placed the pins in place. I was worried because they were a little loose, but after placing them inside, the tension from the barrel is holding it in place. And obviously, I think we'll go ahead and cover that up with some wood filler, make it look nice. Um, but barrels on. Uh, so we got barrel in place, tenons in place, and we got the uh, I always forget the name of these things here. Uh, we got those in place as well. Um, drawing a blank. That's what happens when you get old. Uh, but anyways, got everything in place, everything secured. Um, Actually, let me go ahead and get you. All right, just wanted to make sure I double checked everything. All right, so tenons are in place, the pins are in place, they're setting inside. The uh, thimbles, the thimbles are in place, they're secured. Um, Obviously, when we go to clean up the wood, I guess that's going to be another part of the project. We'll go ahead and clean it all up nice, make all these lines straight. Obviously, this is going to need to be coming down a little bit, and I'm just kind of anxious to get that started. But so that's where we are right now, and leave my ashtray alone. I think that concludes the video. So hopefully, hopefully all this took and yep, and I'll put it all together and get it submitted. But so far, so good. Um, any questions? Let me know. Thank you.